I think it's important to practice this and to see how this works. So let's play around with it a little bit more. And let's change the background color or certain properties of different parts of our code here. Let's say we want to select this link element here, this link, inside the first list item. Notice that we neither have a class nor an ID. How would this work? Well, we can use a query selector to select the list item because we know we want the first list item. So I don't use query selector all because I don't want to get an array of all list items. I only want to get the first one. However, it's even easier than that. I can directly select the first anchor tag in this page because this is the one I want. So I'll just use A here. And then I want to set the background color to red. Now if I hit run, you see that this link changed to red. Now here are some exercises for you. Imagine we want to select this link here and change the background color to red. How would you do it? Well, the way I would do it is, as we have a class here, I'll simply use the query selector to select a class. Simple. But recognize that we have two elements with this class. And if we don't use query selector all, we would only select the first one. So in order to get the second one here, I'll use query selector all. And on that array, I'll access the element with the index 1, which of course is the second element. If I now hit run, you see we changed this link here. What if we want to change the text of this link to say, let's say hello or whatever you like? How would you do that? Well, there are multiple ways. One possible way is to select the first element with a class of simple, which is this list item. And then we're using some traversing. I don't need that array access here, but I can now select the first element child. And of course we may use that method. I'm not talking against using traversal. I was just saying that I don't like these long chain selection methods, but here this is perfectly fine. So I use the first element child property to get this link. And then we'll change the text content to hello. So watch our output here if I hit run. The link changed to hello. What if I want to create a new element? Well, we'll have a look at that in the next video.